here's the ball. Oh, where is it? Oh, over there. Aya. Where it went? No, not here. That's not here. No. Not here either. Oh, Sammy is there. So the ball must be there.
Hi. Hi, Turtle.
Hi, Sammy.
What are you doing?
How are you?
I'm Sammy.
Hey, yeah, I'm Turtle. How are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4. Oh, I'm 40.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm a lot older than you.
Yeah.
So, how are you?
I'm 4. Thank you.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh, okay. That's good. Okay. What do you want to play?
Sure, I can play together.
Okay, let's go get down.
Get the ball. Let's play ball today.
Oh, here's the ball.
I got you. Yeah, I won it.
Oh, yes. Hey, what's this?
It's not Thomas. It's really catch. Turtle.
Okay, let's see how that works.
It's that.
Oh.
With that.
Okay. Give me a shot. Ah! Oh, okay. Thank you.
You reckon? You want to see the ball?
Yeah, where's the ball?
You're honey to out of the sticky tape.
Oh, hiding behind the sticky tape, right? Hey, here's the ball. Hey, where is it? Ah, yeah. The end.